Today we're gonna be inspired by Food Porn Network. He used a cast iron grate or a griddle on his little gas stove, and I'm gonna utilize that as well. I'm gonna cook flapsteak, and first off, I'm gonna get this out of here. First off, we're just gonna trim this down a little bit and season it and bring it up to room temperature, and then we're gonna go out to the grill. This doesn't have that much excess, I wouldn't say. Just a little bit here. I'm gonna remove that. And then take note of all the fibers are going that way, so I'm gonna cut it twice once I get it cooked. Anyway, I'm gonna do this and you can watch. And there we go. And I'm gonna season this with, yeah, you guessed it, my favorite, salt, pepper, garlic, and paprika. No binder, anything. Just gonna season this up. Actually, I'm probably gonna cut this into two immediately, because I think that's gonna make it easier to handle them on the griddle. You're gonna say it's pretty nifty setup. Have them. There we go. Okay, I'll meet you back by the grill in a few minutes. Okay, time to get this show on the road. So this is my 1962 Primus 2063 camping stove. I'm just gonna open it up and show you. It's got two burners and they're connected to each other through a pipe, so it's got a pretty nifty little function. It also got a windbreaker on the side here, and this is the 1 or 2, and then we're gonna light it up. It's really hard to see, of course. I don't know if there's any shimmer, but these are getting hot. Anyway, so following Food Porn Network, this is what I got. I got a two-sided cast iron griddle. He did use the straight side, or whatever, the non-flat side, to cook his T-bone. So I'm gonna cook this flank steak just like so. So I think this is gonna work. Okay, so I apologize about the noise here. This is getting warm. This is rather new, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on there. This is probably the wrong way to do it. I should actually put the oil on the meat, but I think that would wipe off all the spices, and I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna leave that on there. Anyway, so then we're gonna make a salad. We're gonna use some corn, some baby tomatoes, and some mixed lettuce. It's gonna be very easy. Oh yeah, and a cucumber. Anyway, I'm gonna do that while the steak is cooking. We'll see. Okay, so this has been resting now, so we'll see if we can put this on here. Got a nice sizzle at least. I think I'm only gonna do 2 at a time. That's cooking fine in the background. See, my dogs are here as well. Okay, so I'm gonna move the meat to the side. Not the doggy side though. It's been on 40 seconds. Okay, so like I said, this is gonna be real simple. I'm just gonna have the tomatoes. There we go. Time for a cucumber. You know, you can cut a cucumber any which way you want. I cut them and give some pieces to my dogs because they like it. And I cut this into chunks. Apparently only one of them liked it today. I'm gonna give him that bitter part. Oh well. It's not gonna go hungry anyway. 1 small can of baby corn. Okay, let's flip them over. Yeah, look fine to me. Anyway, back to the salad. I think I'm going to put it in here because it's larger, and then mix it all up. Okay, salad done. Back in a bit. Okay, so this is definitely not as hot as theirs. These are only at 42, which would be 108, and I wanted to be about 125 in one of them and closer to 130 on the other. Just gonna see. Well, I'm actually gonna lift this up and wipe a little bit of oil on here and turn it around. I know this is gonna destroy my grill marks, but that's the way it is in Swedland. Also, if you put oil on there, apparently you get some flame up. So I'm gonna let these go for about 1 more minute on this side, and then I'm gonna flip them again. Okay, so it's been another minute. I'm gonna flip these over and put them this way. Flip that one over as well. Okay, so these have now been on a couple of more minutes. 66 Celsius, which is 150 at the thin end. The thick end is 128. I think that's perfect. I'm going to take these off, put them on under a dome over here to rest for a little bit, and start frying the second two. Time to cut this up. So as you might remember, I cut these in half, and the fibers are going that way, so I'm just going to cut this into thin slices just like that. That's really good. It's medium, which my wife likes. Alright. Let's see what happens when it gets a little bit thicker. It's extremely juicy. I've got juicy all over the table here. And wind, sorry about that. I don't know if you can see that. No. That looks, well, how about very good. Yeah. It's not pink wall to wall pink, but it's really nice in the middle. I'm gonna cut this and put it on a serving plate, take a picture and take a taste out of it. This is what I like. There we go, some griddle cooked flank steak on the Primus griddle thingy. That tastes really nice. Thank you for watching. Bye.